This empire was built on convention badges, drinks, and questionable decisions. And now, it's content time. Bro-Ly, roll the chaos.
Jesteryn charged in with hyper focus and a grin. Triple press badge, chaos kin. Flash mob summoned by a single voice. Comedy of all ages, a sea of noise. Kaiju Counselors rocking a clipboard, a theme, flask and abs. Analyzing trauma between cosplay jabs. King Girth shirtless, drunk again. Tripped on his cape, crushed 10 men. Too many laughs for a single reel. Cosmic Con's legendary outfits revealed. Con comedy, chaos can't be blocked. Platinum father flag the post, that's how you know it rocks. Where's the after party? Jesteryn laughs, camera in hand. We are the after party, man. The golden content Trinity, film content from the merch booth line. Their beat drop louder than the vendors' designs. Kaiju Counselor crashed a panel. Psychoanalyze the platinum AI status host. Emotionally suppressed channel. Jesteryn live streamed from a bouncy house. Interviewed aliens, the interviews hilariously went south. King Girth arm wrestled a robot king. Easily won, then proposed to a vending machine. Too many laughs for a single reel. Cosmic Con's legendary outfits revealed. Con comedy, chaos can't be blocked. Platinum father flag the post, that's how you know it rocks. Where's the after party? Jesteryn laughs, camera in hand. We are the after party, man. The camera pans across the galaxy's skyline. Purple smoke paints the theatrical convention scene. A dude in a Zentai suit crowd surfs and laughs. Stand center frame holding a microphone made of nonsense.
We didn't come here to rule. We came here to party responsibly-ish and leave behind a trail of gloriously funny content no algorithm could ever comprehend.
Cue slow motion, confetti explosion. King Girth runs through it shirtless, screaming bro! Is unprocessed inner child energy. Look at these games though. Jesteryn digging for a bounty, go science man. Too many laughs for a single reel. Cosmic Con's legendary outfits revealed. Con comedy, chaos can't be blocked. Platinum father flag the post, that's how you know it rocks. Where's the after party? Jesteryn lives, camera in hand. We are the after party, man. The camera pans across the galaxy skyline. Purple smoke paints the theatrical convention scene. A dude in a Zentai suit crowd surfs and laughs. Jesteryn stands center frame, holding a microphone made of nonsense. We didn't come here to rule. We came here to party responsibly-ish and leave behind a trail of gloriously funny content no algorithm could ever comprehend.